Planning a trip to beautiful Lisbon with your 8-month-old? Whether it's your first trip or you're a seasoned traveler, packing for a baby can feel like a mission. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's your ultimate packing guide to make sure your little one is comfortable and you're stress-free. Let's start with the essentials. 1. Diapers. Pack enough for 3 to 4 days, around 25 to 30, plus a few extras in your carry-on. 1. You can always buy more in Lisbon. 2. Wipes. A travel-sized pack for the flight and a full pack for the week. 3. Changing pad. A foldable one is great for changing diapers on the go. Next up, clothing. Lisbon in most seasons is sunny, so breathable layers are key. 1. 7-8 onesies or rompers. 2. 2-3 long-sleeved outfits for cooler evenings. 3. A lightweight jacket or sweater. 4. 2 pairs of baby-friendly shoes or booties and plenty of socks. 5. And don't forget a sun hat to protect your little one from the Lisbon sun. Now let's talk feeding. For formula-fed babies, pack 1. Enough formula for the week in pre-measured containers. 2. 3 to 4 bottles and a portable bottle warmer if needed. 3. Bibs, about 5, and a silicone one for messy meals. 4. If your baby eats solids, bring a few favorite snacks or pouches. 4. Portuguese food is amazing, but having familiar options is always helpful. For sleep, make sure your baby feels at home wherever you stay. 1. A portable crib or a double check that your accommodation provides one. 2. Your baby's favorite blanket or sleep sack. 3. A white noise machine or an app on your phone. It can help with unfamiliar noises. 4. And of course, their favorite stuffed animal or lovey for comfort. Lisbon's cobblestone streets are beautiful but tricky with a stroller. Bring a lightweight, foldable stroller with good wheels or a sturdy baby carrier. Also, pack a diaper bag with compartments for easy organization and a portable travel high chair for meals out. Don't forget the bath and healthcare basics. 1. Travel-sized baby baby, shampoo, and soap. 2. A few washcloths and a quick dry towel. 3. A small first aid kit with a thermometer, baby-safe pain reliever, teething gel, and nail clippers. 4. And plenty of sunscreen. Choose one that's baby-safe with SPF 50. Finally, pack some toys and entertainment for downtime and the flight. A mix of small, lightweight toys, teething rings, and maybe a favorite book or two will keep your little one happy. And there you have it, a perfectly packed suitcase for your little adventurer. With these essentials, you're ready to enjoy Lisbon's sunny vibes, stunning views, and delicious food as a family. Safe travels, and don't forget to enjoy every moment of this incredible journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own travel tips in the comments below. See you in the next adventure.